Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Friday, October 1st, 1999, 10 am. C with M, by which means you can forward these messages to him in the most direct way. They are important. They concern my son and must remain for the moment as private as possible. There must be the smallest possible number of intermediaries. He should not worry about his successor. We have been following him for a long time and are training him. He should not lose his energy in this concern. He already has enough worries. We can never tell him enough how much we love him and appreciate his work. What he achieves is almost superhuman. We support as far as we can, but his burden remains very heavy. We regret not to be able to communicate further with him by your intermediary. The problem of the language is a severe handicap in this matter. Finally, he is sufficiently inspired and fulfills his mission in a magisterial way. Our hearts are brimming over with gratitude for what he achieves so well. High authorities watch over him. Try to forward all this to him under the conditions that we have established, that is the most direct possible. Babuji.